Good morning, welcome back. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. What's the date? Get ready. Thursday, April 9th, 2020. And Toby is going to listen to the lesson as well. Now, we are going to be doing lesson number 9. What lesson? Get ready. Number 9, good job. Now, we're going to learn a rule and play a game. Listen to this rule. If the teacher says 1 or 2, hold up your hand. Listen again. If the teacher says 1 or 2, raise up your hand. Everybody say the rule. Get ready. Good job. If the teacher says 1 or 2, raise up your hand. Tell me what you're going to do if I say 1 or 2. Get ready. Hold up my hand. Now, are you going to hold up your hand if I hold up my hand? Get ready. No. Are you going to hold up your hand if I say 3? Get ready. No. Let's see if I can fool you. Get ready. And 2. Some of you didn't raise up your hand. Remember, if I say 2, you hold up your hand. See if I can fool you again. Let's try. And get ready. Hold up your hand. You weren't supposed to hold it up. Only if I say 1 or 2. Let's try that again. And 1. Yes. Holding up your hand. Good job. Now, we're going to talk about some objects. You're going to tell me a class these objects are in. Listen. Truck, car, train, motorcycle, boat. Everybody, what class? Get ready. Yes, vehicles. Listen. Hammer, shovel, pliers, saw, hoe. Everybody, what class? Get ready. Yes, tools. Now listen. Cake, rice, beans, milk, bread. Everybody, what class? Get ready. Yes, food. You're doing really good. I'm going to name a class. See how many objects you can name in that class. Listen. Vehicles. Name your objects loud and proud. And get ready. Yes, good job. Yes, I hear you. Trucks, cars, buses, airplanes, motorcycles, motorboats. Amazing answers. Kiss your brain. Good job. Now I'm going to name another class. See how many objects you can name in that class. Listen. Tools. Get ready. Hammer, ladder, pair of pliers, screwdriver, scissors. Great answers. You're doing great. Now I'm going to name another class. See how many objects you can name in this class. Listen. Food. Get ready. Loud and proud. Yes. Bananas, hot dogs, ice cream, cheese, bread, broccoli. All great answers. Good job. And pause. Now, it's time for a celebration. You are doing amazing. Let's do pizza dough. Let's get ready. And pizza dough. Pizza dough. Put the pepperoni. Put it in the oven. Set the table. Eat it all up. And freeze. You guys are doing so good. We're going to be talking about when and where. I'm going to say some statements about the bell. Some tell when, some don't tell when. Listen, the bell rang at 4 o'clock. Say this statement. Get ready. The bell rang at 4 o'clock. Does that statement tell when? Get ready. Yes. Listen, the bell rang yesterday. See the statement. Get ready. The bell rang yesterday. Does that statement tell when? Get ready. Yes. Listen, the bell was loud. See the statement. Get ready. The bell was loud. Does that statement tell when? Get ready. No. I'll say some more statements. You tell me about when and where. Listen. The bell was on top of a building. See the statement. Get ready. The bell was on top of a building. Does that statement tell when? Get ready. No. Does that statement tell where? Get ready. Yes. Listen. It was on top of the building. That tells where. Listen. The bell was very old. See that statement. Get ready. The bell was very old. Now, does that statement tell when? Get ready. No. Does that statement tell where? Get ready. No, it does not. Now, we're going to be talking about opposites. We're going to play a word game. Listen. I'm thinking about a canoe that is long. It is long. So what else do you know about it? Get ready. It's not short. Good answer. Listen. I'm thinking of an elephant that is old. It's old. So what else do you know about it? Get ready. It's not young. Listen, I'm thinking about drinks that are cold. They're cold. So what else do you know about it? Get ready. They're not hot. Calendar facts. We're going to talk about days and months. Everybody, how many days are in a week? Get ready. 7. Good answer. See the fact. Get ready. There are 7 days in a week. Everybody say the days of the week. Get ready. Yes, they're called days of the week because they have the word day in them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Now listen, how many months are in a year? Get ready. 12. Say the fact. Get ready. There are 12 months in a year. Now, name the months of the year through December. Get ready. Awesome. Let's do it together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. There's 12 months in a year. Good job. Now, how many seasons are in a year? Get ready. 4. Name the 4 seasons of the year. Get ready. Yes, winter, spring, summer, fall. Good job. Now we're going to tell how things are the same and how they're different. Listen, a paper bag and a suitcase. See if you can think of some ways they are the same. A paper bag and a suitcase. Think, think. Get ready. They're both containers. Good job. My turn. I'm going to name some ways they are different, okay? A paper bag is made of paper, but a suitcase is not made of paper. Everybody say that. Get ready. A paper bag is made of paper, but a suitcase is not made of paper. That's one way they are different. Now listen, a paper bag can be used for garbage, but a suitcase isn't for garbage. Everybody say that. Get ready. A paper bag can be used for garbage, but a suitcase isn't for garbage. That's another way they are different. Now, name a way that a paper bag and a suitcase are different. Get ready. A suitcase you use for travel and a paper bag you don't. Good answers. Here's another one. Listen, a glove and a hat. Think of them. See if you can name two ways they are the same. Think and get ready. How are they the same? A glove and a hat. Yes, you can both wear them. Good answer. They're both clothing. Amazing answer. Good job. Now, listen. Think of them now and name two ways they are different. How are they different? Get ready. A glove goes in the hand and a hat goes on the head. Yes, good answers. Now, we're going to be talking about things that are very silly or absurd. What's another word for silly? Get ready. Absurd. Why do we need hats for? Get ready. Yes, to protect our heads or to keep us warm. Now, why do we need shoes for? Get ready. To protect our feet, to keep our feet warm. Now, would you wear a hat on your arm? Get ready. No. Would you wear a hat on your head? Get ready. Yes. Would you use a hat to hammer a nail? Get ready. No. That would be absurd. Remember, things that are very silly are absurd. We're going to be talking about the calendar. First, you tell me about the days of the week. Then you tell me about the dates. Okay? Here's our calendar. Tell me the day of the week. It was yesterday. Remember, you go up, and that's the day of the week. You can start from the beginning to say the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, yesterday's day. What was yesterday's day? Get ready. Wednesday. What is today's day? Get ready. Thursday. Good answer. Now the days. Everybody, tell me yesterday's date. Remember, when we say the date, we start with the day, the month, the number, and 2020 or 2020, the year. Let's say yesterday's date. Get ready. Good job. Yesterday was Wednesday, April 8, 2020 or 2020. Now today's date. I'm not going to help you this time by yourselves. Think hard. What is today's date? Get ready. Thursday, April 9, 2020. Good job. We're going to see how well you remember the story about Cindy the Squid. I'll stop when I'm reading the story. See if you can tell me what happened next in the story. Cindy was a squid who lived among the rocks with schools of little yellow fish and schools of little green fish. Now, Cindy liked this fish, But she didn't like the sharks because when they came to the rocks, they were looking for something to eat. So, those sharks love to eat yellow fish and green fish. One day, a huge shark came to the rocks. Listen, what did the yellow fish and green fish do? Get ready. Swam away. Good job listening to the story. You remember the story. Now, everybody, who did not move at all? Remember? Who did not move at all? Get ready. Cindy. Let's see if you're right. The yellow fish darted off this way and that way. The green fish darted off that way and this way. But Cindy the squid didn't move. She said to herself, I've had enough of these sharks. It is time to teach this shark a lesson. So she moved right in front of a big rock and started to wave her little tentacles at the shark. Here I am, you bag of teeth. Come and get me. The shark looked at Cindy. Come on, Cindy said. Look at this tasty tentacles. Yum, yum. Come and get me, Toothface. The shark was mad. He said to himself, I'm going to eat this squirmy thing before it can move. Listen, what did the shark do next? Get ready. Swim fast at Cindy. Now let's see if you're right. And with all the speed and all the strength the shark had, he shot forward through the water right at Cindy. But aha! Cindy had a trick. And what trick did Cindy have? What trick did Cindy do? Get ready. Squirted out a cloud of black ink. Why would that trick fool the shark? Get ready. The shark wouldn't be able to see. Yes. Now let's see if you're right. Cindy had a trick. She sometimes used that trick to entertain the yellow fish and the green fish. She could squirt out a cloud of black ink so thick that you couldn't see anything. And when the shark was so close to Cindy that all Cindy could see were 2 rows of huge teeth, Cindy squirted the biggest cloud of ink she had ever squirted. Then Cindy did something else. What else? What else did she do? Get ready. Move to the side. Yes, let's see if you're right about Cindy. Then Cindy ducked to one side just as the great shark charged full speed right into the rock. Bonk! What was that sound? Get ready. It was the sound of the shark hitting its head. What happened to the shark when he got bumped? Get ready. He couldn't remember who he was. Let's see if you're right. The shark was knocked goofy. That shark was so goofy, he didn't know who he was or where he was. When the ink started to clear, the shark looked at Cindy and asked a question. What did the shark ask? Get ready. Who am I? Yes. And what did Cindy tell the shark? Get ready. Cindy told the shark that he was a little yellow fish. Let's see if you're right. When the ink started to clear, the shark looked at Cindy and asked, Who am I? Cindy said, Why, you're a little yellow fish, of course. Oh, yeah, the shark said. A little yellow fish. What is Cindy going to tell the shark to do next? Get ready. Cindy will tell the shark to go swim with the little yellow fish. Let's see if you're right. Well, Cindy said, You'd better join the other yellow fish. Okay, the shark said. And he did just that. So if you ever go to the place where Cindy lives, you'll see something very strange. You'll see a squid that entertains fish, green fish and yellow fish, but one of the yellow fish looks a little bit different than the others. We know who that different looking fish is, don't we? Get ready? Yes, good job, the shark. Now, you really did a great job remembering that story. I'm so proud of you. Now, this is what we're going to do. I want you to open your workbooks to lesson number 9. Number 9, and it should look like this. There we go. Now, the picture shows Sweetie and the bird bath. The numbers, you see the numbers? And 6 is over here. The numbers show what Sweetie did first, what he did next, and so forth. Listen. Sweetie saw the little birds in the bird bath and said, "Yum, yum, I'm going to grab a couple of little birds." So the first thing he did was to sneak up to number 1 in the picture. Everybody, fingers up. Touch number 1 in the picture. Follow in your book. Yes. Now, what is Sweetie? Where is Sweetie when he's at number 1? Get ready. Near the hole in the fence. Good job. Yes. Now, after Sweetie snuck through the hole in the fence, he darted over to number 2. Point to number 2. Now, where is he when he is at number 2? Get ready. In the bushes near the fence. Now, he was in the bushes that were closest to the fence. Then he snuck to number 3. Everyone, touch number 3. Touch circle number 3. Where is he when he's at number 3? Get ready. Still at the bushes, but closer to the bird bath. Look at that. He's getting closer. Now then he snuck to number 4. Everybody, touch circle number 4. Where is he when he's at number 4? Get ready. In the bushes closest to the bird bath. Now Sweetie was in the part of the bushes that was as close to the bird bath as he could get. He was under the bushes, so he couldn't see what was happening in the bird bath, but he heard a lot of fluttering and chirping. He didn't know why the birds were making all that noise. Why were they making all that noise? Get ready. Because the big eagle had landed in the bird bath. Yes. Now then Sweetie made a great leaping to number 5. Everybody, touch number 5. Where is Sweetie when he is at number 5? Get ready. On the edge of the bird bath. Now Sweetie was on the edge of the bird bath and he grabbed the first thing he saw. Oh, the picture doesn't show what was in the bird bath. The bird bath is empty. Look at that. Sweetie was at number 5. What was in the bird bath when Sweetie was at number 5? Get ready. A big eagle. And what did the eagle do when Sweetie grabbed him? Get ready. Threw Sweetie in the water. Now, then Sweetie moved very fast. He went to number 6. Go. From number 5, he went to number 6. Go to circle number 6. All the way over here. Where is Sweetie when he's at number 6? Get ready. On the other side of the fence. Good job. Now, Sweetie was back in his own yard now. He was all wet and he was trying to figure out something. What was he trying to figure out? Get ready. Yes, how those birds so small and helpless could be so big and strong. Now, everybody, when Sweetie went from number 5 to number 6, did he sneak through the bushes? Get ready. No. Draw a line with a pencil, with a color. Draw a line from number 5 to number 6 to show the path that Sweetie took. Go. You can do it with whatever you want. I'm going to do it with a color. 5 to 6. Now, you are going to tell the story, but you're not going to say the numbers. I'm going to be pointing to the numbers, and you're going to be telling the story, okay? And here we go. Let's start. Okay, touch number 1. What is happening here? What is Sweetie doing in this part? Get ready. Sweetie is near the hole in the fence. Then he went over here. Get ready. Sweetie went to the bushes close to the fence. Over here, number 3. Get ready. Sweetie moved to the bushes that were a little closer to the bird bath. Number 4. What's happening here? Get ready. Sweetie is hiding in the bushes that are closest to the bird bath. Number 5. What happened here? Get ready. Jumps on the edge of the bird bath. Good job. And what happened over here? The eagle threw Sweetie in the bird bath in the water, and Sweetie went running all the way back to his backyard and stopped. Now, later you can fix up the picture to show what was in the bird bath when Sweetie was at number 5. Now, everybody touch number 5. When Sweetie was there, what was in the bird bath? Get ready. A big eagle. There's a picture of an eagle in the corner. Can you see it up here? You can draw that eagle in the bird bath and then color the whole picture. Everybody, what color are you going to make Sweetie? Get ready. Yellow. Everybody, find the next page in your workbook. This is how it should look like. Touch the first part of your page. Find the big shoe. Fingers in the big shoe. And get ready. Here's the color rule for the shoe. Listen. Color the sole yellow. What's the rule? Get ready. Color the sole yellow. Get your yellow colors up at 3, 2, 1, and mark. Oops. You should do a little mark just like me. The sole is yellow. Now, here's another coloring rule for the shoe. Listen, color the laces black. What's the rule? Get ready. Color the laces black. Black colors up at 3, 2, 1, and mark the laces black. Mark it. Colors away. Here's another coloring rule for the shoe. Listen, color the top brown. What's the rule? Get ready. Yes, color the top brown. Brown colors up at 3, 2, 1. Mark the top. Now, part of the shoe is missing. What part is missing? Get ready. The heel, yes. Before you color the shoe, you're going to follow the dots and make the heel. Here's the color rule for the heel. Listen, color the heel green. What's the rule? Get ready. Color the heel green. So, green colors up at 3, 2, 1. Mark the heel green. Now, everything else in the picture, like the bird, the balls, all that, you're going to color any color you want. Everything has to be colored. Quality work. Remember, quality work matters. Let's go to the second part of the picture. Everybody, what place do you see in this picture? Look at it. What place is it? Get ready. A doctor's office. Here's a coloring rule for this picture. Listen, color the uniforms blue. What's the rule? Get ready. Color the uniforms blue. Blue colors up at 3. Blue colors up at 2. Blue colors up at 1. Make a mark on the uniforms. blue. Now, here's another coloring rule for this picture. Color the furniture green. What's the rule? Get ready. Color the furniture green. Green colors up at 3, 2, 1, and mark the furniture green. You should have marked the chair, the desk, the lamp, the table. Now, remember, the marks show what color to make the uniforms and the furniture. You are going to color the rest of the objects any color you want. We're going to do a celebration now because you guys did fantastic. You guys are doing really well. I'm so proud of you all. And let's get ready. Let's do the banana. And peel the banana. Peel the banana. Peel the banana. Peel the banana. Go bananas, go bananas. Go bananas, go bananas, and freeze. You guys did really good. So we are so proud of you. So me and Toby will see you next time. Bye-bye.